Hello guys, I Dr. Virendra Kumar Gupta welcomes you in your YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the developmental milestone of a child. Development is a continuous and long process. 25 million years ago, where the start of development of human, and now it is developed as Homo sapiens, and this process is continuously going on, as well as the development of a child is started from the conception and till mature of the child. So we will discuss here about the development of child. Before to know the development milestone, we should know some differences about the growth and development, as growth is referred to as increase in the physical size of the whole body or any part of the body, while the development is the progressive increase in the skill and capacity of function. And growth is the quantitative change in the child's body, while the development is the qualitative change in the function of the child. And growth is measured as in kilogram, pounds, meters, inches, etc., while development is a observational process and should be measured through the observation. So developmental domains include the 4 eras, which are gross motors, fine motor, linguistic, and cognitive or social. In gross motor, there is included sitting, walking, jumping, and overall large muscle movement is included in the gross motor development. In fine motor, there is hand-to-eye coordination with manipulation of some small objects and any problem solving. In linguistic or language, there is understanding with hearing and using some vocal or languages. And cognitive and social included the getting along with the pupil and carrying the personal needs. There are some principles of the development which included as the development is the continuous process which started from the conception to the maturity, and it intimately related to the maturation of the central nervous system. And the development is the sequence of identical in all children, but the rate of development is varies from child to child, and process of the development is progress in a cephalocaudal direction. And primitive reflexes have to be lost before to start a new development. And initially disorganized mass activities is replaced by the specific and useful actions. So why we should assess the development? To know and to reassure the patient, and to early diagnosis and management of any disability like cerebral palsy or any other things, any feedback for the obstetrician and neonatologist, and to prevent in next sibling. So what tool required for the developmental process, developmental observation? There is need of some red yam, pom-pom, bull ball, bright color cubes of 1 inches, rattle with narrow handle, some raisins, cup, spoon, a paper of A4 size, big size color pencils, picture cards with multiple pictures books like bird, fish, dog, bus, fruits, etc. and a tennis ball, कुछ dolls, a bell, sticker, sweets or another rewards to given for the child. Now come to the development of a child on the basis of age one by one. In the newborn 2-3 month of child, the gross motor development is to be assessed by some procedure like in position of prone position, ventral suspension, supine position, dorsal suspension, erect position, sitting position, pull to sit condition. So in a newborn, in prone position, you can see here the head is turned to one side with the pelvis is raised and the surface of the hip is extended, it's a flexion, and knee and elbow is flexed and drawn under the abdomen. In ventral suspension of a newborn, we found that there is head is float down completely with the back is rounded, and in case of supine position you find that there is some less flexion as gravity tend to the favor of extension, and shoulder are less protected, arms are more abducted, and hips and leg are some flexed and more externally rotated. And in case of pull to sit condition, head is completely lagged behind the shoulder with the back is rounded, and in case of sitting, there is maintaining the position briefly and flopping like a rag doll. In case of vertical suspension, the automatic stepping reaction observed, that is stepping reflex, and leg is flex and extend reciprocally. In fine motor, there is grasping reflexes where the hand is fisted, shucking and rootling reflexes are also found where the sucking of finger and nipple with the, and in rooting reflex there is turning of the mouth toward the touching of the finger where we are touching the fingers, and a gallant reflex is found when we touch the spine side, the incurvatum of the trunk is towards the side of touching the spine. And cognitive changes, there is cries to sound and a voice. Linguistically, there is react to loud sound and calm down and smile when we spoke. Social and emotionally, the child react to discomfort and pain. A 1 month old child, gross motor reflexes, gross motor developmental are in prone position. Child is lift and turn the head to the one side and lift the chin up momentary in the midline, and hips and knee are partially extended. In the ventral suspension, the head is momentarily left up with the elbow is slightly flexed, and in supine position generally more extended. And in pull to sit condition, greater head lag than in the newborn, but there is attempt to lift the head, and in sitting condition there is attempt to lift head, and if unsupported the trunk result in the bobbling of the neck. An infant fatigue easily and fall forward into the flexion. In case of ventral suspension, automatic stepping diminishes and usually child cannot be elicited after 1 month. In a 1 month child, fine motor responses as grasp reflex where the infant continue to exhibit grasp reflex and hand mostly closed, and a reflex that is ATNR where we turn the head aside, this side of the arm and leg is extended while the opposite side arm of leg is flexed. This is served to as a pattern of postural control. This is known as ATNR. And cognitively, there is listen alternatively to the sounds and voices and cries deliberately for the assistance. And linguistically, this recognize the mother's voice and calm down if crying. And when feeding, start or stop sucking in response to the sound. And socially or emotionally, child recognize the mother's voice and make eye-to-eye contact with the mothers. At the age of 2 to 3 months, there in prone condition, pelvis is kept flat on the ground and infant can symmetrically lift the head and shoulder about 45 degrees of the couch. In ventral suspension, there is lift head beyond the plane of the rest of the body and able to hold the sometime. In supine condition, there is hold the head in the midline for some time and takes chin in gaze towards the chest. And in pull to sit condition, there is no head leg but head tend to bob. Bobbling is there. And in sitting condition, their head is upright in the sitting for some time, but there may still be some bobbling. And the back is still rounded, so the baby slump forward. And in vertical suspension, there is head is erect and take weight only briefly and no slipping from the shoulders. And in fine motor, there is grass reflex which sustained voluntarily and hand regard is present where the child is continuously wash their hand with the hand to hand coordination and tactile awareness is also presence. And in cognitively, child discovered hand and feet as extension to self, and linguistically there is coos and make pleasure sounds. Socially or emotionally shows feeling of security when held to talk. In a 4 to 5 month old baby, there is gross motor reflex. There roll front to back or back to front where the ATNR is lost now, which is primitive reflex, and child is grasp the rattle, which is fine motor development, and in linguistically that orient to voice and begin to make some consonant sounds, and socially enjoy looking around and laugh aloud. While in gross motor, in 6 to 7 month child, if 5 to 6 month of age, child sit with the support and make a tripod position, and in the age of 7 to 8 month, child sits without support. And in fine motor, child transfers some object and racking grasp is present where finger thumb opposition is there, and radially palmar grasp is present where the child grip some object with the radial end of the palm. Linguistically, some babbles are found. There is ba, 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 ma, 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 and some monosyllable sound may also be found like ba, ma. And socially, there is stranger anxiety developed, so the child feels stranger anxiety with the stranger persons. At the age of 8 to 9 months, the child is sit without support, as I told you, at the age of 8 months, and stand with the support started at the age of 9 months, and crawl and cruise with started of the pull to stand and start to stand from the ground. And there is starting of fine motor response like immature pincer grasp. And linguistically, there is some non-specific bisyllable sounds like mama, baba, may called, and socially babes of bye-bye are there with response to no. And in case of 10 to 11th month, child bark with support around the couch or bed. There is some pivoting movement when child is sitting and hear some sound from the behind, turn their head towards the sound and back. Child start some bear walking on the toes and creep bell. In fine motor, the pincer grasp slightly matured and bisyllable word like mama or dada is continuously increasing. With the socially child start clapping with plays a painted cake game. And the age of 1 year, the infant stand without support and bark some steps but falls and walk with the support with a single hand. When we pick a hand of the child, he or she can walk. There is matured pincer grasp and linguistically, specifically, bisyllable word like mama or dada is started with meaning, and socially or cognitively a simply play games he or she can play, and peekaboo game may also play. At the age of 13 to 15 month, child start walk without support and starting of creeping up stairs, and at the age of 15 month can start backward walking. Cup may use some scribbling imitate, and a tower of 2 block can make by the child. Linguistically, the vocabulary of 3 to 5 word is developed, and socially or cognitively he or she can throw a ball, and there is temper tantrum. Up to the age of 18 month, child started run, can kick a ball and carries toy with the walking, and scribbling is in better manner. He or she can spoon hold, and delicate pincer grasp is developed, and a tower of 2 to 4 block can be maken. Linguistically, there is vocabulary of 6 to 8 word is developed with the name of common objects he know, and he or she can copies the parent task like sweeping. And at the age of 2 year, child walk up and down and steep with the help of jump. Fine motor में he or she can build up a tower of 6 cubes, and he can use 2 word phrase. Socially, he follows 2-step commands with removal of clothes and ask for food, toys, etc. At the age of 3 years, child rides tricycles, climb stair with the alternating feet, and it mature up to the age of 4 years. He or she can copy a circle, he can use utensils, a tower of 9 block can be made, linguistically he or she used the 3-word sentences and started making some stories. And socially, brushing of teeth with the help, wash or dry the hands, and he knows about the gender. At the age of 5 years, child can hop on the 1 foot, jump over the objects. He or she can tie their shoelaces, knows about the left and right, can print some letter and make a triangle. He can copy the triangle and linguistically use 5-word sentences, and domestic role playing is started with the dressing and undressing. So we can test by drawing. You can see here at the age of 2 years, child started a vertical line. At the age of 2.5 years, transverse line can make. At the age of 3 years, he can make a circle. At the age of 4 years, can make plus. At the age of 4.5 years, square can be made. At the age of 5 years, triangle can make, or at the age of 6.5 years, a diamond shape structure can be made. You can keep in mind with the mnemonic like LOCSTD, lock STD. There are multiple ways or multiple tools to know the development of the child. Widely used is Trivandrum developmental screening chart, and there are some red flag signs where the developmental is delayed, and we should know about the danger signs. And if at that age, if child is not getting these kind of development, we should think about the disease or development and discuss with the pediatrician. There are some warning signs is noted here. At the age of 6 weeks, if child having no eye contact with the mother, if there is no social smile, or sucking is poor, or child is floppy or excessive head lag, we should worry. And at the 6 month of age, if child cannot reach for the object with the both hand, child is floppy, if no response to sound, is there poor social response to the people, that is question of worry. At the age of 9 years, if child is unable to sit unsupported, and if there is no clear hand preferences, if cannot make a fist, if there is persistence of primitive reflexes like Moro reflexes, ATNR, if at the age of 1 year child is unable to bear weight of their legs or unable to stand. At the age of 18 months, child is not walking, there is no pincer graphs developed. If not able to form a single word with the meaning, there is red flag signs, and we should assess the development of the child. This is CDC guideline of the red flag signs of the developmental delay, where for the age there is some developmental signs, if which are not attained, we should worry and taken action. So guys, this is all about the development, and we should think that development is the process where we can know about the future diseases So keep in your mind that development of a child is normal or early or delayed. How was the video for the developmental milestone of a child? Like it, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification, and write in comment box about the topic. Thank you very much.